In this video, we're going to learn how to do a while loop. So all a while loop does is it just executes the same command over and over while some Boolean statement, which is just a true or false statement, is true. So let's start with a couple variables. Int n equals 0 and int x equals 0. So let's say we want to add up all the numbers between 1 and 10. So if you remember from before, this should equal out 55 whenever we do this. Let's learn about the while statement or while loop. A while statement is almost always used as a loop, although it does not have to be. So we would type in the word while, start some parentheses, and we put some type of Boolean expression. Let's say while n is less than 0, because that either has a true or false value, n is either less than 0 or it is not less than 0. Then we'll start a curly brace, and inside of these curly braces right here is where we actually have our program written, I guess. So x plus equal n, and then we'll type in n plus plus. So what this is doing is x and n both start out at 0. Oh, sorry. While n is less than 11, that will work a whole lot better. Okay. So x equals itself plus whatever n is, and n is incremented by 1 each time. So it'll go through this a few times. And then let's print out the x value, because that's the number that should go to 55. We'll run this real quick and see what it goes to, if we did it right. Okay, looks good. It started from 0, 1, 3, 6, 10, all the way down to 55, which sounds about right. So we know that's working fine. Let's do one more example. Let's say I want to add up the numbers divisible by 3 from 1 to 100. So I'll just put a comment here, add up numbers divisible, if I can spell this right, by 3 from 1 to 100. Alright. So int, let's just reset these values to 0, n equals 0, x equals 0. So after it runs through this while loop, it'll reset n and x both to 0. So what I'm going to do here is while, let's see, we'll bring n to, what did we say, 100, so n is less than 101. N plus x plus equals n. Whoa, forgot my semicolon there. And n plus equal 3. So it's basically the same thing there. And we'll print out x. But there is one slight problem. N is being incremented by... Oh, actually, yeah, that will work. I'm sorry. Yeah, this will work just fine. So we'll run this program right now. So if I add up all the numbers divisible by 3 from 1 to 100, I should get 1,683. And I'll look at it as it goes, just to make sure it's doing this right. Okay. Looks like I'm going up by 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. The program should restart here, so let's say add up numbers 1 through 100 that are divisible by 3. Okay, so we'll run this. 0, 3, 9, 18, 30. Okay, this looks like it is doing just fine. It's adding, first you would start with 0, then you would add 3, Next number divisible by 3 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Then you would add 18. Basically, it's going up by 3, 6, and 9, 12, 15, 18. Here it goes up by 18. Then this should go up by 21. It'll go up by 3 more each time, all the way down, until it gets down to 1,683. Alright, so I do apologize for the mistakes I've made in this video, but luckily I caught those fairly soon. And that's the beauty about programming. As long as you do an easy example that you know, you can catch your mistakes and see them early on. And you should be using a integrated development environment or IDE, either NetBeans or a similar program to help you catch all those things. Help you with any kind of little syntax errors that you have. Anyways, I do hope this video helped you learn a while statement. If you'd like to see more while statements, please let me know, and I will be happy to do those. Just let me know why I should do them, or I can try to think of something myself if you can't think of anything. Anyways, I really do appreciate you watching. There is a like button down below if you did like the video. There's also a subscribe button, so if you wouldn't mind hitting both of those, I would appreciate it. Thank you.